that bad boy, and you'll be good to go. One last thing, one tip that I want to end you with here is looking at the git log. Actually, let's do git log p. We noticed that we added a question, but we also added an answer. We only added that context to the commit message, but not to the title. So let's say that our colleague, he or she, or that person, asks us to add that to the commit title. So we're only gonna change the title. How do we do that? We could do that with commit amend, but this is not the most recent commit. We could use a squash, but we would need a change for that to work. And actually, no, with again, git log, take the first commit. With any commit, you can add a specific flag called allow empty. Git commit squash, and then allow empty. So this basically says, let me just double check, git status, nothing is added. So this basically says create a squash commit onto this first commit, this one, and allow the body, the content, the diff of this commit to be empty. We allow that because all we want to do is actually change the commit message. Well, in this case, the title. So enter. There you go. We want to keep this the same to allow auto squash. If you have that enabled, to automatically figure out which commit this squash commit belongs to. But yeah, I tend to just copy this and then correct my title in the message and answer. All right, we are saving this. Looking at git log p, we have 3 commits since master. The first commit where we add the question and the answer. However, we still have yet to update the title. Random commit in between, and then the squash commit. All right, you know what to do. Git rebase I, and then for me, I have to add a no-autosquash, and then master. Okay, move this one up and change it to squash. Pick to squash. Also notice that I just had an S here. That works too. The commands have aliases. So I'll go with S. S is for squash. Right quit. Again, we have some comments here. Remove those. This is the added, let me go back. This is the commit message number 2. All right, let's just take this one. Replace up here. Remove any comments, and there you go. This is the final message. Right quit. Git log p. Again, 2 commits, and we have successfully updated the title of the first commit. And that's how you can work with fixup and squash commits. And also just change the messages or the titles by using or utilizing allow empty for when you're creating your commits. Yeah, that's it. It's been a long video, so sorry about that, but there was plenty of stuff to go through. But yeah, that's it. All right, bye-bye.